Namaste children. Children, today we are going to see Unit 2 Supplementary Reader. Children, did you take your book? Please take your English book. Page number. This is your book. Supplementary Reader. Page number 101. So, our lesson name is The Boy and the Butterfly. Did you notice? The Boy and the Butterfly. Children, do you like butterfly? Yeah. In this unit, we are seeing all the insects. Am I right? Like ladybug, dragonfly, grasshopper, golden beetle, like all the thing we have go through in our lesson 1 and poem Incy Spider. Okay, here see how the boy deal the butterfly. Okay, Sam is a good boy. He is Sam and he is his grandpa. Okay, he is Sam and he is his grandpa. Sam is a good boy. He likes to help. One day, Sam sees a butterfly in a cover. Sam said, I'll cut the cover to help the butterfly. So, Sam is a good boy. He is very good. He likes to help others. So, Sam likes to help others. He always helps others. Those who need help, to the young old persons and to the children and to his parents, he helps all the thing. Okay, even how will you help to your parents? Can you see? How will you help your parents, children? We can help our parents by doing dry the clothes, clean the floor. Okay, and we can arrange our shelf and we can go to shops nearby to us what our mother asks. So, like that, we can help our parents. Switch on the light, switch off the light, like all the thing. What our parents ask and what the grandma and grandpa in our home ask. So, we should help our elders. Not for cooking. Even small things. We should help our parents. We should not say, நீ போய் பண்ணுங்கம்மா, நீங்கள் போங்க, நான் பண்ண மாட்டேன், அண்ணா சொன்னால் போனா நான் பண்ண மாட்டேன். We should not say like that. Okay, we should help our parents. So one day Sam sees a butterfly in a cover. Sam said, I will cut the cover too. So the butterfly is with its what? Nest. அதோட கூட்டுல அப்படியே அது இருக்கு. Sam said, I will cut the butterfly to come out. Sam's grandpa said, no, let the butterfly come out on its own. So the butterfly wants to come its own. We should not cut. Even while hatching the eggs, ஒரு முட்டைக்குள்ளேருந்து ஒரு பறவை வெளியே வரப்போகுது. ஒரு பறவை ஒரு கோழி குஞ்சு பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா, அந்த முட்டைக்குள்ளேருந்து வெளியே வரும். அதுவாக வெளியே வரும். நம்ம வந்து அந்த முட்டையோட ஓடை வந்து எடுத்து விடக்கூடாது. ஸோ அதுவாக வரணும். ஸோ grandpa also said the same thing. No, let the butterfly come out of its own. The butterfly wants to come out by its own. Okay, next stanza. But Sam cuts the cover to help the fly. The flies comes out, but it's not able to fly away. So, but Sam didn't listen his grandpa's words. So, what happened? He cut the cover. அது மேலே இருக்கக்கூடிய அதோட நெஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணிட்டாரு? கட் பண்ணிட்டார். யார்? சாம். But the butterfly can't fly. The fly came out, but it not able to fly away. The next day, Sam sees it's on the same rock. Next day also, Sam sees on the same rock. It can't fly. Why? That butterfly want to come its own. அது சரியாக அது வளர்ச்சி அடையாமே சாம் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான், கட் பண்ணி விட்டுருந்துருக்கான். Sam asked, why is the butterfly on the rock? So grandpa said, only if it cuts the cover on its own, it will fly. So what is the answer from his grandpa? Yes, the butterfly wants to come out by its own. Then only it will fly. Sam said, sorry grandpa, I'll never do this again. So this is a lesson for Sam. What we want to do, what we should not do. We can help, but giving correct help is very important. Unnecessary help is not good one. We should help others, but we should help in the correct way for correct action. That is very important. So at last, Sam got a lesson. Okay, we should help for the correct action. Then he realized and he asked sorry to his grandpa. Children, do you understand? Yes. What did you understand, children, from this lesson? It's a very small lesson, very simple lesson, very small one. ஸோ சாம் ஒரு நல்ல பையன். அவன் அனைவருக்கும் அவனுக்கு வந்து எல்லாத்துக்கும் அவன் வந்து ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறது ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் அவனுக்கு, மற்றவங்க எல்லாத்துக்கும். ஒரு நாள் அவன் கார்டனில் வந்து ஒரு பட்டர்ஃப்ளை வந்து பார்க்குறான். அந்த பட்டர்ஃப்ளை வந்து அதோட கூட்டில் சுற்றிட்டு இருந்தது. அதை போய் என்ன பண்ண, கட் பண்ணி அதை வெளியே வர வைக்க பார்த்தா அவங்க கிராண்ட்பா வந்து வேணான்னு சொன்னார். ஆனாலும் அவன் வந்து அதை செஞ்சான். ஆனால் அதை பட்டர்ஃப்ளையால் பறக்க முடியல. மறுநாள் என்னாச்சு, அங்கே போய் பார்த்தா இந்த பட்டர்ஃப்ளை பறக்காமல் அப்படியே அதே ராக்கில் உட்காந்துருந்தது. அப்போ தான் ஏன் பறக்கலைன்னு அவங்க தாத்தாட்ட கேட்கும்போது அவங்க தாத்தா என்ன சொன்னார், அந்த பட்டர்ஃப்ளை அதோட கூட்டுலேருந்து அதுவே வெளியே வந்திருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னார். உதவி செய்யணும், ஆனால் கரெக்டான உதவி செய்யணுன்றதை அப்போ அவன் புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டான். ஓகே, next page children, page number 102. Circle the correct word. Children, take your pencil and mark the correct answer. Cut and eat. Which is the correct one? This is a cutting. Cuts. It's a butterfly or snail. Which is the correct answer? Butterfly. Choose and complete the sentence. Sam likes to, first one, help. Sam like to help, first one. Second one, Sam saw on the dash, on the rock. He saw the butterfly on the rock. Grandpa said not to cut the car. Okay, so you should write answer here, children. Then here, this is a home practice. This is a paperwork you should do. What are the instruction they are saying? Using that you want to do the ladybug and you want to stick it here. What you make like that? How will you make? If you read all the thing, you can understand how you want to make this ladybug using paper. Then you want to stick your ladybug here. Okay, will you do, children? Good. So today you want to read this lesson. Okay, here some words I am going to give to you. You want to read the words. Help. Practice 2 times these words. Good. Help. Butterfly. Cover. Grandpa. Come. Own. Fly. Able. Away. Next. Rock. Same. Asked. Sorry spelling. Never. Again. So these words you want to write 2 times and you want to pronounce the word and you should read, you should know the spelling of these words. Okay, children? Thank you. I hope you all understand this lesson. Be safe in your home, children. Children, daily you should practice a page writing and a page reading. Okay, then only you can improve your vocabulary. Thank you.